welcome back to my channel. It is now time to show you the process of this display that I did in my small apartment, just to give it more of a Halloween spooky vibe. Of course, everything that I am using is from the Dollar Tree, and if you want to keep up with all of the crafts I get up to using Dollar Tree products, hit the subscribe button below. You will get notified anytime I put up a craft or go see a Dollar Tree and show you what they have in store for the Halloween, fall, Thanksgiving, Christmas season. But back to this craft, you can see the cauldrons and the ghosts that we created in the previous video are now up for display. I actually do like how the ghost turns out, even though we had a few issues there. I like the purple theme that I am sticking with. And of course, the lights just give it the added touch. I also thought, why are we only decorating the kitchen cabinets for Christmas when we put the red bows or the wreaths? We might as well do it for Halloween too. So of course I had to dress up the cabinets a little bit for the Halloween season. And after one day of decorating, this was the finished product so far. I feel like I still need to add a little bit of details to make it fully my expectations, but let me, of course, maybe head to a Dollar Tree and see what else I can find to make this just a little bit better. Okay, it is now the second day, day 2 of doing this little decor piece right here. I stopped on my lunch break at another Dollar Tree as I was passing by, and of course had to take a peek inside and see what they have for Halloween, which they actually had different stuff compared to other Dollar Trees I've been to. So I am glad I stopped. I did spend about $25 there. I will show you quickly what I got there, and then we will finish up this display that is probably taking way too long, but it does look really good. I am very, very proud of it. But let me show you what I got below. Let's start with, I got 3 yards of this like bat ribbon. It says $1.25 on the label, but it actually did ring up $1.50 with the new price increases. This was also included. But it is just 3 yards of bat ribbon. I think the edges are wired. I think they are. I'm not 100% sure. I don't want to open it. But I'll probably use this year, or even next year I'll have it saved for crafts. I then got some napkins, just 24 napkins, just to have on the table. I then picked up a I Love Spooky Season $1.50 sign. I got one of these in another video, but that actually went to my brother. So I wanted one for myself. And again, I love the little details of the tassels and the beads. It just adds more than what the $1.25 signs used to be. Like, this is just a little bit more advanced for $1.50. So if it's 25 cents for beads and a tassel, I will not complain. Next I got a few bundles of garland. I didn't see this at the previous store. I don't know if they had it somewhere else in the store or I just didn't see it, but I saw it here. I got 2 9 feet of this purple with spiders and spider webs. I just think they're so shiny. They look a lot fuller too than previous garland strands at Dollar Tree. It does look a lot fuller. I got one of the orange pumpkins. Again, it does just look a lot fuller. I feel like the other ones were very thin and you didn't really get much garland, and then they basically all fell before you even got home. And then lastly, I got, again, 9 feet of just black and green, but it's supposed to be glow in the dark, so we will see if it actually does glow in the dark. But again, it just looks so much fuller. I don't have a one from previous years to show you the difference, but you actually get a good amount for $1.50. Then I also got black and nail polish. I think this just might be a little old, so we're hoping this is better quality at least. From Dollar Tree, I got a wall decoration, which is 42 by 72. It just looks like a brick wall with different shades of black and gray. I am hoping to put it on the bottom of this shelf just to make it more like a centerpiece. When you walk in and you see it looks kind of like a bar or a house or like a countertop with brick at the bottom. I hope my idea turns out good. Here's always hoping. I think it will. I don't know if it's big enough, but I will do this right now and you guys will see the finished results. And then to wrap up the Dollar Tree haul, I again spent $25. Some decorations. I did get some nail polish and cotton pads and that kind of stuff, but I think everyone knows what a cotton pad and acetone looks like, so I didn't show that. But this is the final piece, hopefully, for this display. Let me put it on real quick and then I will show the final reveal of this display. Okay, I am finally done with this craft and I must say it looks amazing. I am so proud of it, and getting the brick down here was a added piece I didn't know I need, but I am so glad I got and put up because it just really completes the look so much. I just, as much as I don't prefer Halloween, maybe that will change in the future, but I'm just not someone who loves Halloween. I much prefer fall and the fall colors. This has got me rethinking it just a little bit, just because it's just, I don't know. I love the purples and the bright colors. And then the spider webs, even though, you know, I hate spiders, I can handle this if they are not real. But I very much enjoyed doing this craft. I believe just about everything here is from the Dollar Tree. The only thing would probably be the orange and purple lights. They had lights there, but not like sets of 100. I think they had sets of like 25 there, so it could be done from Dollar Tree. Let me think if I can put a total together. Editing Katie will put it right here of how much this craft would have cost me from making the little, where are they? Oh my gosh, where's my hand? Over here. Making the little ghosts that I did, and then the cauldrons that I put together, all of those pieces, along with most of the stuff I do end up reusing. The pool noodle that you see right here is from previous seasons. I just take the decor off, the flowers, the whatever I had on before, and then I just use it again. Same with the curtain rod up here and the pool noodle that's up here. It just gets taken down and then redecorated for the next holiday. So I'm really not going to count that because I've been using it probably all year now, and it's been fine. But this is the final look of it. It's still quite light outside, so it's not like pitch black in here. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching, and this just gives you an idea of what you can do in a little corner of your home. Make it look festive and bring you joy every time you look at it. I'll be sitting right next to this, editing on my computer and working and just looking over. And I also have a candle going of like fall scents. So this is totally bringing in the vibes as we get into the colder months, the burr months. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button below. It keeps you up to date on all the Dollar Tree crafts I will be doing for this holiday season. You will see this get ripped down and we'll put up something for Thanksgiving. I already have ideas in my head, and then it'll be Christmas before you know it, and it'll be a Christmas display. I changed this for just about every holiday just to add some creativity and some seasonal happiness to my life to ring in the next holiday that we have to celebrate. But this is the Halloween one, and I am so proud. But again, thank you so much for watching. Stay well and stay safe until next time I see you guys, and I'll see you next week for more Dollar Tree crafts. See ya.